Answer turn to 5, runway 25 left, so takeoff.
5 left, clear for takeoff, 8
Left turn, heading 180, 3000, tel established, cleared the Alice, runway 15, Delta 922.
Okay, 8th Air, Trainer 5, we're declaring emergency. We have control malfunction, requesting visual landing 7 right. 15 right, 15.
Answer turn to 5, Roger, you can make the right down, runway 15, clear to land.
5, clear to land.
Delta 922, contact tower.
Tower Delta 922. Anchorage Tower Delta 922 ILS, runway 15.
Delta 922, Roger, cancel approach clearance and just fly the post mist. There's traffic ahead of this emergency aircraft.
Alright, cancel approach clearance, fly the published mist, Delta 922.
Answer turn to 5, runway 15, you are clear to land.
15, clear to land, Answer turn 5. Cathay 091 heavy, holding short, runway 25 left.
Cathay 091 heavy, Roger. Delta 922, climb maintains 3000, turn right heading 250, and approach will vector back around.
3000 and 250, Delta 922.
Emergency that departed Anchorage, they're returning to 15, it's going to shut the runway down. I'm at altitude, descend to maintain 4000, plan some delay vectors.
Get out of 4000, Alaska, 7006.
7006, when able, reduce speed to 210 knots or less.
Okay, 210 or less, Alaska, 7006. Approach Ace Air 43, 15,600, 12,000. LM with Delta.
Ace Air 43, Anchorage approach runway 15, fly heading 230, descend to maintain 10,000.
15, wind 2207.
Alright, Acer Trainer 5, we got a control malfunction. We can't do right. We're going to need to do it easy left turn, we may need some distance to set up for the runway.
Answer turn 5, Roger. Whatever you need, you can make the left turn, and if you need to set up for one of the 7s, that could work too. Midfield wind showing 230 at 4, and or if you want to just maneuver for 15, whatever you need.
Five, it's going to shut the airport or the runway down here, and just plan some delay vectors for now.
43, copy, thanks.
Delta 922, contact approach on 118.6.
186, Delta 922.
Delta 922, Anchorage approach, Roger. Plan vectors for runway 15. I'm sure as you heard with the tower, there's an emergency inbound.
We'll plan vectors to 15. We heard Delta 922.
Hey, sir, Trainer 5, you just want to stay with me and fly out there and let me know what runway you want.
We're slowly coming in for 7 right.
Hey, sir, Trainer 5, that'll work. Runway 7 right, clear to land. The approach and wind is missing. The midfield wind showing 230 at 7.
Trainer 5, request emergency vehicles out there waiting for us, please.
Well, we got them out. They're at 15. We'll switch them over to 7 right, though. 7 right, clear to land.
7 right, clear to land, Acer Trainer 5.
Earth Command, emergency aircraft is to be landed runway 7 right now. They're turning to left base about 4.5 miles to the northwest.
Moment that there is an emergency inbound that they're working at the moment. When able, reduce speed to 210 knots or less.
Okay, I understand. We'll slow into 210 left.
He's on about a 2 mile on right now for 7 right.
It's our, we made it. We're requested taxi back.
Yes, I'm trying to find a good job. You make a left turn at Golf and cross runway 7 left over to Romeo, and then contact ground point under.
Left Golf, cross 7, left to Romeo, and over to ground east. I appreciate the help.
Welcome.
Tower FedEx 157 heavy is holding short of 15 at Kilo, ready.
X157 ahead of Anchorage, route.